Write a program to input student name plus the marks obtained in the 4 different subjects and also find out the total and the average marks. So there are 5 inputs from the user. In the first line, I took the input from the user and save it into the N string, means N dollar. Then in the second statement, I took the input from the user English and save it in the variable called E. Then I take the input for maths, stored it into the variable M. Then take the input for science and stored it into the variable S. Then the last input for the marks of computer, stored it into the C. Then we add all of them, E plus M plus S plus C, and we store them into the variable called S. We will consider it as a sum or the total. Now we need to find out the average. For average, we have a total number in S. So S is divided by 4. Why? Because the total number of subjects are 4. And we will store them into the variable A, considered as the average. So the first one is the name of the student is time for the output. We use the statement called print to give the output. The name of the student is, and we print N with the dollar string. Print the total marks is, and I write the variable S, which contains the sum or the total of all the marks. Then I type print the average marks, double quotes of terminator. After that, I will print the value which is stored into the A, which is basically storing average. Now time to run the program. So now program is asking for the input. So I give the input Smith. The English marks I give 15. In the maths, I put 30. In science, I put 45. And in computer, I type 60. Now, the name of the student is Smith. The total marks are 150. And the average marks are 37.5. The program is working perfectly.